In my exchange with researchers in other countries, I noticed that a lot of the research areas is actually very narrow.
说实话，我很羡慕我的朋友这个丁佩义教授。
I really admire my colleague, Professor Ding Pei.
他学问做得很好，生活品质也很高，还可以在全世界跑来跑去，我很羡慕。
He's not only a good scholar, he has a very high quality of life, and he travels around the world.
因为在中国做旅游学术研究，至少在现阶段，我们这一代人还达不到丁教授这样的状况，否则他就不会跑到国外来了。
I confess that this kind of good lifestyle is not enjoyed by his contemporaries in the Chinese research field. Otherwise, he won't be here. He will probably still be in China.
因为在大众旅游发展的这样一个阶段，刚才这个王雷基教授说，中国在摸着石头过河，我们的政府、我们的民众需要我们的学者来去贡献我们的智慧。
In this very initial stage of tourism development, we are still sort of in the stage of getting more people to develop their knowledge in this area and potentially become experts in tourism research.
比如说，我要研究中国的国有饭店的问题，研究中国大众旅游发展阶段的转型问题，那么要研究很多可能国际上同类的学者不研究的问题。
For example, the tourism researchers in China may potentially need to look at research that is focused on the development of the state-owned hotels in China, which is not necessarily areas of research for scholars overseas.
我记得裴毅教授是研究旅游环境审计的。说实在话，当我您
Professor Ding Pei is a researcher in the areas of environmental statistics. Is it? Yeah.
我不知道裴毅教授我有没有记错啊？我当时第一次听说你研究这个题目的时候，我很惊讶，这么高端的这个题目啊，他都能把它做成博士论文。
The first time I heard about this research topic, I was extremely surprised. I was wondering why, how can this very what he called high-end research topic could be the focus of his academic.
可是我在中国去做研究，我如果只是去研究可持续发展问题、环境的问题，我想我的政府。我的老百姓可能不答应。
In my situation, if I only focus my research on sustainability tourism, I wouldn't be able to answer to the people in my country.
比如说红色旅游、乡村旅游、线上旅游都是中国特有的现象。
There are three, for example, there are three different types of niche tourism that is emerging to be very popular in China. One of them is called the red tourism. The other one is country tourism. The third one is virtual tourism.
我不能想象，我还有很多的父老兄弟啊，还没有去完成，还没有权利去旅游的时候，我和你们一样去做模型、做计量。去做非常精巧的一些东西，我没法子去做。
Well, most of my the people from my country cannot afford travel to start with. I found the research on certain economic models on tourism something very far-fetching.
所以，解决中国旅游发展的现实问题是这一代学人的使命。
And I think it's my duty to develop research directions and outcomes that would fulfill today's China's unique requirement.
当然，我们也将努力通过，我们也将 通过我们的科学研究去努力促进不同国家、不同地域、不同肤色、不同文明之间的人的一种自由交往。
We certainly also hope that through the tourism research, we can potentially contribute to the increasing exchange between people of different culture and different country and different background.
比如说，2008年金融危机之后，很多国家对出境旅游做了限制。
During the 2008-9 economic crisis, many countries imposed restriction on traveling overseas.
我在中国政府旅游领域的最高决策会议上，我强调了一点。
In the highest level research and policy forum in China, I've expressed my view at that point in time.
旅游是人的一项基本权利，出境也是中国老百姓的权利。
Travel is a right of human being, and we should continue to allow our citizens to travel overseas.
最后，我们决定对出境旅游不限制，包括对澳大利亚。
And at my recommendation, the Chinese government decided not to impose any restrictions on traveling overseas, including the Western countries and Australia.
为此，我们在2009年承受了40亿美元的旅游贸易逆差。
Due to that recommendation, the Chinese economy suffered a 4 billion deficit in the year 2009-10.
但是，我们对全球旅游的繁荣发展，特别是亚太地区的旅游繁荣，我们尽到了一个发展中国家应尽的责任。
But I think we played a very important role in contributing to the tourism development of Asia-Pacific region, as China still being, although China is still a developing nation.
但我也同时要求，或者是期待各国政府要善待中国旅游者。
I'm here to also to say that I would like to encourage the international governments, overseas, the other international governments to treat the Chinese tourism tourists as well as the operators in a way that is friendly and that is probably friendly.
因为自由的行走和有尊严的消费，是每一个这个地球上的公民都应该享受的权利，中国人当然也不例外。
Professor mentioned again that to be able to travel freely is everyone's right, and to be able to consume, make sort of tourism consumptions is again every citizen's right, and as government, this behavior should be encouraged.
我们还想努力在服务产业报效国家的过程当中，去构建我们自身的学科体系。
We're also looking at establishing a very comprehensive tourism research framework.
为此，我们倡导学术成果的实践转化，更倡导应用性研究成果的学术提炼。
We highly encourage the applying the tourism research results into the practical applications, to have practical applications of the tourism research and parallel development of tourism-related disciplines.
我们愿意跟国际同行一道，来跟国际同行一起去推动研究方法的创新和旅游基本概念、基本原理的固化。
We would like to work in partnership with researchers from other countries to identify new concepts and new ways in undertaking tourism-related research.
我们希望能够用10年左右的时间，推出一批有代表性的学术成果。
We're looking at spending the next 10 years in releasing highly directional and leading results in the tourism research field.
推出一批有广泛的影响力的学术名家，像那些获诺贝尔经济学奖的那些经济学家一样。
And we hope that we could have the Nobel Prize winner equivalent in the tourism research field from China.
当然，我更希望有更多的年轻人能加入到旅游研究的行列里来。
And I was also hoping that there would be more young people that could potentially join the tourism research profession in the future.
年轻人朝气蓬勃，代表旅游学术的未来。
The younger generation represents the future of tourism research.
我希望我们的教授们在著书立说，在外面奔波赚钱的同时，多关注我们的学生。
I hope that our professors, while they are sort of traveling overseas and making a lot of money from publishing and selling their books, can also provide a lot of help assistance to the young students.
我在大学待了20年。
I spent 20 years in a university in China.
我曾经做过我们季校长的助理，协助他管过科研工作。
I was an assistant to President Jin, who is the head of the academy.
客观的说，我觉得认为现在的大学有时候在有意无意当中对学生的受教育的权利削弱了。
I personally feel that the academic excellence is to some extent neglected in the current university education environment in China.
所以在这样一个转型和变革的时代，
In this era of change and transformation,
我们既需要关注现实，还需要建设自身的学科体系。
we will be looking at a two-front approach to focus on the theoretical development of tourism research, and at the same time, the practical applicability of tourism research.
OK， 更需要关注教育，帮助年轻人成长。
And we should attach more importance to education and the development of our younger talents.
这些目标或者说理想是激动人心的。
I think my ideal is extremely exciting.
但又是值得我们去努力奋斗的。
And it's worth all of us to make significant efforts.
澳大利亚著名的作家考林·麦卡洛曾经在《金鸡鸟》这本书里这样写道。
He quoted a book that by Australian poet Colin McConnell. Anyone knows? Never mind. Yeah, sort of.
有的吗？
Yeah.
他说：“我们只是唱着，直到我们的生命耗尽。”
We sing and sing until we die.
Yeah.
Not a very good translator for poet.
但是我们依然要这样去做。
But we should continue to sing.
中国也有一句古诗，算了，我不难为你。
There's a Chinese poem as well.
我想，这样一种精神，是我所期待的，也是愿意跟各位去共享的。
I guess what the spirit that this poem is talking about is what I want to share with you. And
祝福澳大利亚，祝福昆士兰大学，也祝福我们共同的事业。
I hereby wish Australia, the Queensland University, and the
共同的事业。
our common sort of pursuit.
愿意与各位同行共勉，谢谢大家。
I would like to work very closely with you and be a sort of long-term partner.
I want to say many thanks for you. It's very difficult.